primitive people drill wood to make fire, to modern people anytime and anywhere the use of fire, marking the development of human civilization to a new height. Small lighter, but has a huge market. Ningbo Jiuqi Technology Company Limited came into being and became professional partner of Lighter Equipment Factory, serving the global lighter equipment factory. Jiuqi specializing in the independent research and development of lighter equipment, design, production, sales, technical consulting as one of the scientific and technological innovation company. Mainly engaged in lighter mold development and design, injection molding processing, ultrasonic welding, drainage core assembly, automatic inflation, automatic fire control, assembly line, intelligent inspection, rapid labeling, printing, color packaging, and other complete equipment. Actively integrate industry resources, contact lighter manufacturing upstream and downstream enterprises, and strive to create a one-stop service so that customers have no worries. 9 layers of Taiwan. From the base of Earth, 9 science and technology will lead the lighter industry into a new height of development. Made in China will go to the world. We have an all-day-long service and ordering hotline for you. Professional engineering technicians can be sent to install and debug, train operators, and provide consulting services related to lighter products. Excellent, continuous innovation is our eternal theme. The quality is the soul. Satisfaction is the goal is our tenet. We will continuously expand innovation, enterprising, hard for China lighter industry rapid development.